Welcome to La Boheme family, a trio with big dreams. I'm Roberta, and this is my partner Onur. And she is our little adventurer Luna. We are on a journey to live a life filled with freedom and unforgettable experiences. We decide to break away from the conventional lifestyle and set sail around the world in our trusty sailboat. Join us as we navigate the seas, discover new culture, and share the highs and lows of our sailing adventure. So, hit the subscribe button and let's sail together. Boat work continues deep in the beautiful forest of Bristol, Maine. Onur is still holding down the fort, living aboard our sailboat, anchored in the wild, while also bravely facing the cold weather that's starting to roll in.
Today is super cold. We are not in August, end of July.
In our last video, we took you through the process of reinforcing the rudder with fiberglass and showed you how we replaced the through-hole fittings. Now, it's time to paint both the rudder and the bottom of the boat. So let's walk through the steps we followed to get the boat's hull ready. After sanding the hull of the boat with 80 grit sandpaper to smooth the surface, Onur cleaned the bottom of the boat with alcohol to remove all the dust.
I need to clean all the hull right now with the alcohol and prepare for the bottom paint. And then I have to put, actually before the bottom paint, I have to put the tape all around. Let's see how it will work. Starting.
Then he prepared and applied 2 coats of epoxy primer to the rudder and also to the new plugs on the boat's bottom.
So this is the primer of the bottom paint. So it's an epoxy primer. So as you guys remember, my rudder, it was gel coat, fiberglass covered, and then the top I did this primer before the paint. It should be 2 times primer on it and clean surface, and I saw some gel coat, and what I did for the fiberglass repair for the plug, I put it over there too, and the other side too. So boat is ready to paint.
Next, he carefully taped around the waterline to mark where the boat sits in the water and ensure clean edges.
So after clean with the alcohol, all this sand dust, taped all around and ready for bottom paint. Let's see how it will look. After I searched a lot of antifouling, like a bottom job paint, which is the best, because here in Maine is a seasonal. Most of the paints are seasonal, what I found. And even the good brands, they are multi-season, but they are not what I wanted. So I wanted a hard paint, because when I scrap under the bottom, if any barnacle is there, I don't want the paint come off. I want a high copper content, and also I want the durable, like a multi-season paint. So this one, my friend, he recommended. They are using in Florida, this one. He said this is the one of the best. So I bought it. This is Trident HD Petit. Let's see how it will look. So for the job, this one, gloves again, and this baby. Let's start. So when you open it, does the baby look like? And I have this one slowly stir.
So, after the primer dried, Onur prepared and applied 2 coats of anti-fouling paint to protect the hull from marine growth.
I just finished the first cut. And I have to do 2 more, 1 more. This is the first.
The next day, after the paint dried, Onur moved the boat stands and painted the spots left unpainted.
As you see on the boat, I moved the boat stands to paint where it was not painted area. So moving the boat stands, you have to wait for the dry for the boat first, and then you have slightly move the stands. You have to loosen it up and move it. And also the back. So today's job, I'm painting all this.
Now, with the freshly painted hull, the sailboat is ready to break the waves once again. And of course, the new rudder is prepped and ready for installation.
Good morning, another Bristol morning. I would like to say thank you for our coffee supporter. Their name is Martina and Jansen Özden. Thank you guys for your support. It means a lot to us. And we are doing so much boat project, and in that time we need your help. And then with the coffee is really, really important for us. Thank you. Enjoy watching.
Yes, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for supporting us, for buying us coffee, and I really have no words to express my gratitude, so thank you a lot. And for you, Martina, have fun in your long trip. Grazie, grazie mille. So I want to say something. Some people asked me why I'm not there with Onur helping him fix the boat. Well, there are 2 reasons why. The first one is because right now we can't afford to rent a place to stay there in Maine for the 3 of us. And the second one is because right now Onur is living on the boat and having our super energetic 1-year-old kid all around with all the tools and dangerous stuff is just not safe. So that's why we made the decision to split temporarily. Of course, the distance is not easy, and my heart is breaking down every time Onur is calling me super frustrated because engine is not working, electrics are not working, and so on. So I wish I could help him from the start, and the distance is even harder when you have a little girl that is growing fast every day. So we really hope this boat works will end soon, and finally we can be together and we can put the sailboat in the water and start sailing, and of course share with you much better videos. So as always, if you like to support us in this crazy adventure, you can scan the QR code or use the link. As always, your support means the world to us. Thank you a lot.